quite an abstract term, so let's talk about what it means. It means control over your data, it means transparency over what's happening to it, and it means it's accessible. Wondering, why don't I have my EHR on my phone? Why don't I have my health information in an app with me? Why is it there and there and there and not just something that I can carry with me? GDPR limits, data sharing life science. I also have to switch certain papers. The rules are far from clear. How are you going to comply if you don't know what it says?
In our system, you're always in control of your data, so you know who has access to your data, but they don't know who you are. They have a big pool of data, which is all anonymized, but we keep the connection between data and you, so you're at all times in control of your own anonymous data. You can verify that data is real without knowing what that data is. So it's a way of for us knowing that you as a human being exist.